Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this question. We have to find the integration of root over cosec x minus sin x dx. So how we'll do this? So see, if this cosec and sine, so complete thing, suppose I am converting in sine, so this cosec x will be 1 upon sin x. So I will write like this, the same integration I am writing as 1 upon sin x minus sin x, this will be in root and then dx. Okay, if I will simplify this, then this will be root over 1 minus sin square x divided by x. So it will be root over sin x will be LCM and then 1 minus sin square x dx. 1 minus sin square x I can write as cos square x. Why? Because sin square x plus cos square x we know 1. So 1 minus sin square x will be cos square x. So instead of this 1 minus sin square x, I can write as cos square x. So root over cos square x divided by sin x dx. So I reach till here. Now if root I will remove, then numerator root it is cos square. So numerator will be root over cos square x will be cos x. So numerator will be, I am writing left side, so it will be root will finish in numerator and only cos x, and denominator will be root over sin x. Root will be there because the square term is not there. So I got something like this. If just I simplified this steps is just for simplification, just I put cosec x as 1 upon sin x and we reach till here. Now we are going to do our integration from here, so I am erasing these all things. Okay, now in this integration how we can do? So numerator it is cos x dx and denominator it is root over sin x. So suppose sin x I am telling t. Suppose I am telling that sin x, let sin x is equal to t. So if sin x is t, then if I will do differentiation, then what will happen? Cos x dx is equal to dt. I can say that cos x dx is equal to dt, and cos x dx is numerator is what? Cos x dx. So this will replace with dt. This will replace with dt, and denominator it is root over sin x. So sin x I will replace with t. So root over t. So ultimately we got this. Now we have to do integration of this. You know how to do. This root over t I will take up, so it will become like root t is what? Root t is nothing but t to the power half, t to the power 1 upon 2. If it will go up, so it will become t to the power minus half into dt. And now use the formula x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1. X to the power n plus 1 means t to the power n means minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 and plus c. So this will be our result. Just t I will replace with sin x, and this minus half plus 1 will be half. Minus half plus 1 means 1 minus half, it will be half. So this is nothing but half, so I will replace with half, and denominator also the same term, so it will be also half. Now just you replace t value as sin x. So t to the power half means what? Root over t. Root over t. So root over t means root over sin x, because t we have assumed as sin x, and this 1 upon 2 when will go up, it will become 2. So we got the answer as 2 root over sin x plus c. So which option? Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So I hope you understood the solution. If you have any confusion, then you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.